Hi, this is David, founder and CEO of Pure Juicer. Today, we're making a video demonstrating how to solve for juice's greatest enemy, oxygen. So we have a couple of pumps that are very commonly available on Amazon, and we have the Pure MVP, which pulls 2 to 8 times more vacuum than any other pump on the market. Let's get started with a marshmallow test, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So as you do this, as we suck some vacuum, pull vacuum, this pump has an automatic shut off. Here. And this pump shuts off when it reaches full vacuum. And as you can see, the marshmallows have expanded a little bit. Now, let's go to our next pump. And these pumps pull somewhat similar vacuums, so the marshmallows may not change size very much. Finally, let's go to the Pure MVP system, and you will see the difference. See how the marshmallows are increasing in size? Now, this is the interesting part. We've removed oxygen. There's less pressure on the marshmallows, and they've all grown in size. Watch what happens when we repressurize the marshmallows. They become tiny. This is showing us that we're actually pulling a tremendous amount of oxygen, 80%, out of what's inside the marshmallow and inside the container. Now we will do the same thing with juice. Let's continue to combat juice's greatest enemy. What we're looking for is to see air bubbles rising out of the juice. So this pump shuts off automatically. We have a seal. And now we're going to move on to our next pump, which is another very common pump that we see on Amazon. So the whole idea is that we can batch juice and then drink it several days later and still have it taste amazingly fresh. We do this by maximizing oxygen removal. All right, so we're still maintaining a seal. Presumably we have a little bit more vacuum because this pump pulls slightly more vacuum than this one. And now let me show you the pure difference. This is actually really amazing. If you look at the juice, you'll see it's rising in the container and expanding. And what that expansion is it's the oxygen in the juice is actually being pulled out of the juice. The juice has gotten a little bit foamy, and you'll see this line between the juice and the foam. It will creep up. When I put this in the fridge for 20 minutes, the juice will be all juice once again. But the most important thing is to see that we've actually removed oxygen from our juice. This is the pure difference. With this pump, you can store juice for up to a week, keep everything fresh, works for juice, works for all kinds of produce, works for herbs, works for smoothies. And we have a coupon called Pure 5. Any purchase over $100, you get $5 off. See the link below at the bottom of this video.